Ngucanio igie ugai wa kigina gatagati ga thirikari nene na iria cia kaunti ni ithiite na mbere kwihiriria thutha wa kanju ya magavana kuruta mukana wa gutharara kwa motungata ma muingi akorwo thirikari ndikumathikiriria na mongerere kigina kiria magayagirwo mwaka kuona kiria gikoretwo gikiendekithio tikiganu kurugamirira makaunti.
Division of Revenue
Makiaria hindi iria megwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya senate igie kigina na budget kanju ino yugite nyongerera ya motungata kuma thirikari nene torehi wa igoti ria manyumba marihi meru ma ruhonge rwa NSSA furugamiriri wa mashini cia urigitani uthondeki wa ceceni cia gwaka iganda undu umwe na urehi wa ateithĩrĩria arigitani matũra-inĩ nĩo CHPs igũcũngĩrĩria makaunti ngarama ĩngĩ ya makĩria ma ciringi birioni 50 mwaka kũirũgamĩrĩra.
I think it would only be right and fair, not because of the governors, not because of the counties, but because of the people of Kenya. If we are not able, for example, to pay the doctors, I'm sure you have seen the suffering of our Kenyans out there. It's not harming the leaders, it's harming the Kenyan people.
So long as there are challenges in counties, it doesn't matter what national government does, the base will shake and it will not be steady. And therefore, the only way we can do is ensure we are never asking for more than what the Constitution allows. We just want that we are able to address the needs of our people.
Mayari ona thengia wa bunge ya bũrũri gũkorwo ĩrĩkĩtie kũhĩtũkia watho wa ũgai wa kĩgĩna wa mwaka ũyũ na makĩendekithia kaunti kũgaĩrwo mũigana wa ciringi birioni 391 thĩinĩ wa mwaka ũkĩte wa kĩgĩna, ũndũ ũrĩa magavana magwetete ta wa kĩeha mũno kuona kĩgĩna kĩu gĩtingĩmahotithia kũrũgamĩrĩra mabataro ma makaunti.
So on average here we are looking at additional costs of over 52 billion Kenya shillings. And that is why in our submission, we are requesting that the Senate committee considers an allocation of 439.5 billion Kenya shillings.
If we are to sustain the new basic that the doctors are asking for, counties will require as much as 7 billion shillings every single year to just sustain that.
And the KMPDU should know, and wherever they are, they should hear this. If we do not get an increase in the equitable share of 5.8 billion that is ring-fenced for paying that salary increase, then we shall be lying to them.
Pending bills will forever continue being in counties as long as we continue receiving less than we should.
Kumana no bunge ya bũrũri na ĩrĩa ya senate rĩu itanyĩtwo kũgĩa na gĩikaro kĩa hamwe kũgeria gwetha ũiguano wa ndũgamano ĩno thutha wa maseneta kuuga nĩ mekũrũgama na mendekithia ma kanju ya magavana kũheo kĩgĩna makĩria mũgarũ na ũrĩa bunge mendekithirie kaunti kũgaĩrwo birioni 391 handũ-inĩ ha birioni 450 o mwaka.
Now, if you make feel-good political statements that have financial, implication, and then at the end you cry and you say discretionary expenditure, it is discretionary because you made the choice.
We don't even know whether we are going to be able to buy medicine. It is that serious. It's actually not a favor we are asking for. We are asking just to even break even. To get resources enough to break even for counties to continue staying afloat.
Gerivotera Kameme TV, Jitago Maura, Wagunya.